Everyone, it's Denny and I'm here with another video with my boyfriend Jalen.
How y'all doing?
Today we are going to do the hot Cheetos and hot fry challenge. So what we're going to do is I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes and we're going to see who takes a drink within the 10 minutes basically. Yeah. I know I'm going to win. I'm going to win. So what we're going to do first is pour, we have this bowl, and pour some Cheetos in it, and then put a filter on it. Okay. And pour some hot fries in it. Just like that. So we have it in the bowl like this. Okay. You ready for this? You know I'm gonna win, right? Alright, so. Huh? No, because we don't need it. Okay, now I'm ready to set the timer and we're gonna see how this plays out. Alright, and go.
Some of them Cheetos, they hotter.
Hmm?
Some of them Cheetos.
They is hotter. Alright, 1 minute down. I feel good.
You do. You got water in there, so you can.
It's oil.
Okay.
For my health.
Okay.
I might just take your hoe. Take that hoe to Tokyo. She say she wanna play her, so I did her as a favor. I did. Skirt off in that foreign skirt. Broke boy, see you later. Bye. She only wants what's
I'm going. No, for a fact.
See a nigga ballin', I'm about to shoot my 2 free throws. Yeah, I'm piping shorty, and I ain't talking on the low. Yeah, I'm piping shorty, make her tap out like Chris Jericho. You niggas hysterical.
That water look good, don't it?
I'm eating faster than you, that's why.
Also why her mouth ain't burning on fire though.
Why did I use that excuse?
I'm good.
You don't have a tolerance for this. I do.
You said what?
You don't have a tolerance for this. I do.
The way she eat it just.
I'm rhyming, so she pop it like a pimple. Ew. She my little nympho. Yeah, she on her knees, but I got her acting sinful. Man, this shit is very simple. No pad or no pencil. Grinding for my kinfolks, the adventures of Boy Bendall. Why you niggas hate? Why? Maybe cause I fuck on twins, Ashley, Mary, Kate. Pull up with twin pistols, call it double date. Shoot that shit like Russell, cause I do not hesitate.
Nope.
That nice cold water. Don't get sick now.
When you're a winner, you don't feel pain.
You feeling that pain now?
No, I'm not.
Just a little bit.
Oh my, sweating. Kind of under my lips.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-huh. You got some of them Cheetos right there.
Okay, so the 10 minutes is up. So since no one broke, we're gonna do it again, but for another 5 minutes. All right, we're gonna start now. Another one. Another. Huh. Another. Huh. Hey, eat up. Eat up. Drink, Jay. You can drink. You can drink. Drink it. You want more? Huh. Drink it. Come on.
Riding for my kinfolks, we adventures of the business.
Drink it. Huh.
Why you niggas hate? Why
Yes! Yes! I win! Don't turn it off. Yes.
Can you get yours open though?
I win. He thought he could beat me, but he didn't. What you gotta say for yourself? Tell the camera.
What's okay? Because it's so hot. It's not working.
Get you some
You need
milk.
milk.
You want some milk?
I might just take your hoe.
You want some milk?
Take that hoe to church.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I knew I was going to win today. But comment below any other challenges that you want to see me and him do, and we will do them. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to win still. Any last words? No? Thanks for watching.
Hoping for a miracle, but I wake up every morning, eat her like some cereal. She ride me like a merry-go, got her wet like Ariel. Ooh, kill him, like that nigga Terrio. If she throw it, I'ma catch it.